Hello guys, welcome to my class. 我是专职不会打M 的老师。Today we're going to learn how to convert between metric units of length. And the two units that we are going to look at today are kilometers and meters. If you are in year 2 or year 3, I think most of you know that in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. And based on this information, we can do other conversion problems. For example, in 2 kilometers, we know there are 2,000 meters, as 2 kilometers has 2 of 1 kilometer, which means 2 of 1,000. And if we continue this pattern, we are clear that 3 kilometer would equal to 3,000 meters. And that's why your teachers would say, just remember, whenever you convert from kilometers to meters, you would simply multiply by 1,000. For example, 8 kilometers, we would multiply the 8 by 1,000, which give us 8,000. As easy as what we think. And this strategy will work pretty well as long as we're dealing with whole numbers. However, in real life, we can have some measurements that are written in decimals. For example, do we know how to convert 9.25 kilometers into meters? Yes, we can do the same thing by multiply by 1,000. But the thing is, for some of you who are in year 2 or year 3, you might haven't learned decimals before. Does it mean we just give up on this question? No, there is still a way that you can do this. So today I will be showing you a strategy which can help you avoid decimal multiplication but still give you the correct answer. Let's get back to the important fact, which is in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. Can we see that from kilometer to meters, the value we are dealing with changed from a 1-digit value to a 4-digit value. For the 1 digit, I will draw one box and put a dot after it because so far I only need one box. And for the meters, I'm going to draw 4 boxes and put a dot at the end. And now let's check this diagram to see how this can be helpful. The first one we want to check is definitely 1 kilometers. And the next thing you do is drag it down. That's because we are finding the equivalent way of expressing the same measurements. And for the rest of the missing boxes, you would just fill them with zeros. Can we see? 1 kilometers equals to 1,000 meters. Let's look at a couple of more examples. How many meters are equivalent to 8 kilometers? The first thing we do is drag the value down and fill the missing boxes with 0. Can we see? 8 kilometers equals to 8,000 meters. Now let's try something different. How can we convert 2.25 kilometers into meters? If we try to match them up and given the position of the decimal points, I would fill that box with 2. And now you would ask, how about the 2 numbers after the decimal point? There are no boxes. Then let's create some imaginary boxes. Make sure you line them up. Can you see that now they are matching up? No matter it's in number form or boxes form. So let's continue the conversion. Drag everything that you can see down. And for the missing boxes, you will fill with a 0. So that is telling us 2.25 kilometers equals to 2,250 meters. Before I end today's video, there is another one for you to check out. How can we convert 12.05 kilometers into meters? The first thing you do is match the decimals. In the kilometers, 2 is before the decimal. We're going to fill this box with 2. And for the rest of the digits, do you remember what we just did? For the digits after the decimal point, match them up by creating some imaginary boxes. Make sure you line them up. Have we matched up all the numbers? No, there is one more, which is the number 1. Can you tell me what you want to do now? Yes, create an imaginary box before the number 2. Finally, let's finish our conversion. Drag whatever you see. That means I will need an imaginary box there. Drag the 2, the 0, the 5, and fill the last box with 0 as I cannot leave any boxes empty. So our conversion is 12.05 kilometers equals to 12,050 meters. In the next video, I will show you how to do the conversion between meters and centimeters using the similar boxes strategy. If you like my video, make sure you hit the like button, follow me, and I see you next time. Bye bye.